Hi, my name is Wendy Ardila. I am 20 years old and I belong to the industrial engineer group. I worked as a saleswoman in home center and I really like English. On my vacation, I traveled to Santa Marta. I went to Tayrona Park and saw many mammals. I ate a lot and I got to know the sea. It is really beautiful. I travel very little, never really. This is why I use it to escape at night to see the sea. Finally, I can say that the climate of Santa Marta is spectacular. It's really beautiful. I like the sun combined with the fishes of the sea. I love it. I love it. Thank you.